Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, welcome to the reality versus ekspektasi. Where we discussing we often image both and we expect. Today we'll be talking about a topic that's very close to us, the world of collagen. Colleague, many say colleague is really free and fun, but is it really like that? Let's dive in the discussion. Next to me is our guest today. I Claudio introduce yourself.
Hello, thank you. My name is Gifar. I'm a second semester. I'm happy to share my experience here.
Thank you, Gipar, for being here today. Gipar, let's start from the beginning. Before you entered college, were you excited about college life?
Back the I thought college would be chill, no expected school. I'm imagined there would be a lot of free time. Taking out, joining organization, and more freedom in managing time.
Yeah, that's a very common expectation. So, how was the reality after you started college?
The reality is very different. There are a lot of achievement. Sometimes even with overlapping deadline, plus we're expected to be more independent. If you don't manage your time well, you will fall behind.
So, it's no as easy image, right?
Actually, it's actually more challenging, especially when you join organization. You have to be good at balancing, but when college and other activities.
What was the most surprising thing for you during your college years?
The most practice was the learning system. Professors don't always explain everything in detail. So we need to be proactive in finding material on your own. That was a shock in the beginning.
Interesting. So, it's really forces you to be independent. Do you think is the biggest misconception perceptive students have about college?
Maybe the thing challenge is our freedom and no pressure. In reality, the responsibility is much bigger because everything depends on us.
Alright, now we'll give the audience a chance to ask questions. Feel free to ask if you have something in mind.
In my
Yes.
Thank you. I like to ask, how can we deal with difference between expectation and reality so that we don't feel disappointed or stressed?
Good question. I think first we have to accept that not everything will go as expected. Second, we need to adapt quickly. And the most important thing is not to hesitate to ask for help, whether from friend or professor.
So the key is adoption, right?
Yes, actually, the faster we adapt, the easier it will be to go through college.
Satu lagi udah satu lagi diam.
From today's conversation, we can see text expectation do always align with reality. But from house differences that always to become more much and independent. Thank you for you, our guest, Gipar, for sharing these stories and expectation, and to the audience who everything. I ask you how will stack my left. See you in the next See you the next episode of reality versus ekspektasi.
Oke guys.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.